In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cards on Basecamp. We'll walk through how to turn on the card table in a project, how to add and organize your cards, and finally, how to use them to manage your team's workflow from start to finish. First, let's get the card table enabled and set up. Start by opening the project where you want to use cards. At the top right of the project, look for the three-dot menu or the More option. Click that, then choose Change Tools or Setup Tools, depending on what your Basecamp says. In the list of available tools, find Card Table and flip the switch to turn it on. Once it's active, you'll see options to customize it. Here you can rename the card table to match your process, like Development Board or Content Pipeline. You'll also see default columns such as Triage, Figuring It Out, In Progress, and Done. Adjust these column names and their order to reflect how work naturally flows on your team. A clear, simple set of stages will make it much easier for everyone to understand what's happening at a glance. Now that the card table is ready, let's add and detail some cards. In any column, click Add a Card. Most teams like to start new items in a triage or intake column so nothing gets lost. Give your card a short, specific title that tells people what the work is about. After creating it, click the person icon to assign the card to the right team member. This makes ownership clear and avoids confusion. Next, set a due date using the calendar so everyone knows the timeline. Open the card to add more detail. Write a clear description, include any notes or context someone would need to get started, and upload any relevant attachments such as files or screenshots. If the work involves multiple steps, break it down inside the card using subtasks or steps. This helps the assignee check off progress and see exactly what still needs to be done. Finally, let's manage the workflow. As work moves forward, simply drag and drop cards from left to right across your columns. For example, a new idea might start in Triage, move to In Progress once someone begins working, and finally land in Done when it's complete. Keep communication close to the work by using comments inside the card. Team members can reply, ask questions, and use mentions to notify specific people. If something is paused but not canceled, you can mark it as On Hold within its column, so it's clearly visible without cluttering active work. And if there are key stages you want to keep a close eye on, use the option to watch specific columns so you get notifications whenever something changes there. By enabling the card table, enriching your cards with clear details, and moving them thoughtfully through your columns, you'll turn Basecamp into a simple, powerful visual workflow your whole team can follow.